Two cloud giants face off in 2025, one built for unlimited scale, the other crafted for WordPress simplicity. Which one really delivers? On the left, AWS, the cloud powerhouse built for scale and flexibility. On the right, WP Engine, offering WordPress-focused, hassle-free managed hosting. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to what matters most. Each key category earns points, and by the end you'll see exactly who comes out ahead. The final result might surprise you. Okay, quick snapshot before we get deep in the weeds. Here's our mind map for today: scalability and performance, ease of use, pricing, security and support, ecosystem and integrations, and oh yeah, who these platforms are actually built for. Got it, let's move. First up, scalability and performance. Alright, AWS is honestly kind of an absolute beast here. The infrastructure is massive, uptime is solid, and you can basically scale from a garage startup to a global empire. Downside? It takes a bit of wrangling to set up, especially if you're just getting started. WP Engine, on the other hand, while nowhere near the size of AWS's playground, is dialed in for WordPress speed. Caching and CDN are already optimized, so WP sites really fly. But here's the catch: it's strictly WordPress, so no custom multi-app ecosystems here. Winner, AWS takes the spot. Moving on, ease of use. AWS dashboards are super powerful for advanced users, but if you're not a dev, the learning curve? Yeah, it's pretty real. You'll spend some time clicking around trying to manage things. WP Engine, the complete opposite. Everything laid out clean, like one-click installs, automated backups and updates. Even Aunt Linda could spin up a WordPress site in minutes. Not much you can tweak outside of WP, but honestly, for most users, that's a win. And this round goes to WP Engine, hands down. Let's talk pricing. AWS rocks the pay-as-you-go thing. Sounds great, you only pay for what you use, but you know what? If your traffic spikes, so can your bill, and sometimes it makes budgeting kinda unpredictable. WP Engine keeps it super simple: monthly fees, all-inclusive pricing, you see it, you get it. No sneaky charges, but their basic plans can feel pricey for solo bloggers, and their top plans honestly are not cheap. But for most folks, the clarity wins out. WP Engine's got the edge here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know AWS powers Netflix, NASA, and a ton of Fortune 500 companies? Meanwhile, WP Engine hosts over 1 million WordPress sites worldwide. Yeah, the scale is wild. Now, security and support. AWS offers advanced firewalls, DDoS protection, and all sorts of configurable gadgets. Great if you're a security geek, but yeah, you'll need to set a bunch of stuff up yourself, and support is mostly third-party. WP Engine leans into managed security, backups every day, live support 24/7, and monitoring behind the scenes. Super nice if you want to sleep at night, but of course, only for WordPress stuff. This one's an easy pick, WP Engine. On to ecosystem and integrations. AWS is like, bring your stack any stack. Node, Python, PHP, whatever you dream up. If you have dev skills, the sky's the limit. WP Engine, well, it's a WordPress world. Tons of plugins and some good partner integrations for WP heads. But yeah, if you wanted to build something totally custom, not happening. AWS is the clear champion here. And finally, target users. AWS is perfect for developers, big businesses, folks building something super custom. But if you're just starting out, it can be overwhelming. WP Engine. Absolutely made for agencies, bloggers, marketers, small businesses. You spin up your site, focus on your content, and let them handle the tech. For this one, honestly, it's a tie. Depends on your vibe. Let's check out our radar chart and see visually where AWS and WP Engine each peak and dip. AWS dominates scalability and tech flexibility, no surprise there. WP Engine brings best-in-class ease, support, and security for WordPress peeps, so you kinda see both have their sweet spots. So at the end of the day, here's my honest take. If you want total control, wild scalability, and you're not afraid to get your hands dirty, AWS is definitely your playground. But if you want stress-free hosting where everything's streamlined for WordPress, WP Engine is just awesome. Both are crazy powerful, just in different ways. Pick based on your project vibe. Alright, was this hosting comparison helpful? If you think someone on your team needs to see this before you shell out for hosting, go ahead and share this video. And let me know in the comments, which platform would you pick?